Well, good morning, drone fans and friends. How you doing? So, welcome to another video by Asgard Studios. Today, we're going to be flying at Sheridan Park. I'm testing a new setup. I've got my Flywoo Explorer drone with this new battery pack. It's called the Lithium-Ion Explorer Pack. Essentially, it's just a different type of battery. I normally fly lithium polymer, which have a bit more energy, so they're better for doing tricks when you need to have a real punchy bit of throttle. But the lithium ion, you get more flight time. So here I'm just kind of cruising around. The camera you see here is the Beta FPV Insta360 SMO 4K action cam. It's the stripped down one that I'm flying on this quad. Yeah, so I was just kind of cruising around, just kind of testing the performance of this battery. It makes the quad really heavy and a little bit more ponderous, so not as good for acrobatics, but totally fine for cruising. As you can see here, I'm able to kind of move around quickly and change direction and have a good time. And people get upwards of 30 to 40 minutes with these lithium-ion Explorer packs. Essentially what they are is 4 18650 cells tied together. Oh, that's my cat. Hello, cat. I'm making a video. Sorry. Come back later. Anyway, so here I am cruising around Sheridan Park in Brockville. As always, I get up early. That way, I'm not bothering people. I don't want to fly around people when I'm, when they're out doing something like practicing in the sports field or whatever. So, yeah, so I get out early. It's nice and quiet and have the place all to myself. Anyway, so that was the SMO 4 camera feed. What I'll do now is I'll also throw on the DVR feed from the goggles, which is pretty darn good, to be honest. Anyway, take a look, see what you think. I'll leave you guys with some music and a bit more drone footage, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leaning and follow, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip
mean to put it on your nose, but it's clear how my baby's running this a block cause you fear what you do to you if you get dirty hands and veneer. What you do, what she is, little boy, I tell you this. If baby wants sit, she can sit. If baby says lit, it's lit. Got your bank account and not cute. If she said it loud, it's the truth. If baby wanna ride, she can ride. If baby needs some time, she got time. Got your bank account and not cute. She can make it count, how about you? She would put you in the bag, yeah. Wouldn't even need a planet. If she wanted, she a magnet. They should let her name a planet. Everything she drop like Corona, viral, make the world start over like I own her. She ain't about to set, but they really wanna throne her. Listen, she like bass, she like Hover. Self-employed, moving paper better than some Billy Boy. Made a choice on the regular, she bring a milli home. Click my phone, get my ass up, get it dinner going. Watch she out there, making sure that you all know. Baby wants sit, she can sit. If baby says lit, it's lit. Got your bank account and not cute. If she said it loud, it's the truth. If baby wanna ride, she can ride. Baby needs some time, she got time. Got your bank account and not cute. She can make it count, how about you? She be always making money. If it's raining, if it's sunny, she make time to call me honey every day. Drop a couple bands on the cook, then he pay. Then a couple more on the tip, baby saves. Body's just the everyday, imagine holiday. If I get the 50 cent, she get me holidays. Signing with the fly, if you meet her, know it's true. So if she ever asks you, you know that baby wants sit, she can sit. If baby says lit, it's lit.